Hello everyone, Mick Cohn here. This is part 2 in a series of videos of building a Marin Hamilton 29er into an electric bike. As I mentioned in the last video, I bought this frame off of eBay, and my first course of business was to purchase a bottom bracket. After much research, I've come up with, through the manufacturer of the bicycle, which happens to be Marin, come up that they've, for the original equipment, was True Vative Power Spline bottom bracket. Through the research I've done also, I've realized that I believe the best bottom bracket to put in there would be a 68 by 108 millimeter. It's obviously an English thread. I'm okay with that. Obviously, there's no choice there, but the research I've done states I need 108 millimeter because it is a single speed bicycle. Now, with that being said, it's also a power spline bracket, so therefore I would need a power spline crank. And later on I'll do more research, but as you can see right now, this is a $18 bottom bracket. Not expensive at all, at least in my eyes. And in a minute here I'll open it up and we'll take a look at it. I ordered mine through Amazon. Obviously, as you see here, this is available on another website, but I just wanted to show the picture. So there's numerous places, as I've researched, that you can find this particular brand. Again, it's not that I brand loyal or that I decided that this was the best one. At this point, I know very little about it. I'm just trying to go along with things that I know will work on the particular frame that I've ordered. I may learn something. It may be the best one. It may be a decent one. It may be the worst one. But at this point, I don't know. It was pretty cheap, and I'm going to go with it. Okay, give me a second. I'll be right back, and we'll open up the bag that I received from Amazon a couple of days ago, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, folks, here we are again. Here was the packaging I received. I ordered it on August 9th. Received it a couple of days later from Amazon. Like I said earlier, there's probably plenty of sites you can get it from. Here's the box that it came in. It's a True Vative. It's a 108/68 alloy cup. Of course, it's made in Taiwan. Nothing we can do about that. Not a big deal. And just some packaging. Not bad. Probably a little lightweight and cheap. But here is the power spline bottom bracket. Obviously, the two screws that hold on the crank. There we go. Nothing big. Once again, True Vative. And right here it says 108 millimeter spindle with a 68 millimeter shell. Not much to it. Hopefully in a couple of days I'll get around to installing it. Get over here. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.